In today's video, we discovering unique opportunities can be the key to financial success. As we step into 2023, we're unveiling a set of 5 side hustles that are quietly revolutionizing the online income game. These opportunities have yet to gain widespread attention, but they hold tremendous potential for those looking to make money online. So let's dive into these hidden gems and explore why they are the unconventional side hustles you need to know about in 2023. Side Hustle 1. Niche e-commerce reselling. While e-commerce is not new, there's an emerging trend in niche product reselling that's creating exciting opportunities. Forget the saturated markets. Think unique, specialized items. Individuals are scouring local markets, garage sales, and even their own attics for rare and collectible items to resell online. With platforms like Etsy, eBay, and specialized niche marketplaces, you can tap into a goldmine of undiscovered treasures. The beauty of this side hustle is that it doesn't require significant upfront investments. Just a keen eye and some market research can lead to surprising profits. Whether it's vintage vinyl records, antique jewelry, or handmade crafts, niche reselling offers a path to not only making money, but also indulging in your passion for unique items. Side Hustle 2. Online language tutoring. Teaching a language online may not be a novel idea, but what sets this side hustle apart in 2023 is the demand for less commonly taught languages. While Spanish and Mandarin tutors abound, there's a growing interest in languages like Swahili, Dutch, or Korean. By leveraging online platforms like Italki or Preply, you can connect with learners worldwide who are eager to master these less mainstream languages. This side hustle allows you to share your language skills from the comfort of your home and earn while expanding global linguistic horizons. It's not just about teaching a language, it's about cultural exchange and making a global impact. Plus, the flexibility of online tutoring allows you to create a schedule that suits your lifestyle. Side Hustle 3. Personal brand consultancy. In the age of influencers and online entrepreneurs, personal branding is more critical than ever. Many budding online entrepreneurs need guidance on how to establish and grow their personal brand. This is where you can step in as a personal brand consultant. By offering your expertise in areas like content creation, social media strategy, or digital marketing, you can help individuals build their online presence. The demand for personal brand consultants is on the rise, and it's a field that offers immense flexibility and creativity. You're not just helping others succeed, you're carving out your niche in the digital economy. The beauty of this side hustle is that it leverages your expertise and passion for online branding to help others achieve their goals. Side Hustle 4. Sustainable product reviews. As sustainability gains traction, people are increasingly seeking eco-friendly product alternatives. You can turn this green movement into a side hustle by becoming a sustainable product reviewer. By thoroughly researching and reviewing sustainable products, you can earn money through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and even launching your own eco-conscious brand. This side hustle not only generates income, but also contributes to a greener, more sustainable world. You're not just making money, you're making a difference by promoting eco-friendly choices and driving change in consumer behavior. Additionally, you can build partnerships with like-minded brands and be at the forefront of the sustainability revolution. Side Hustle 5. Virtual event planning. In the era of remote work and digital gatherings, virtual event planning has emerged as a side hustle that's both relevant and profitable. From corporate conferences to virtual birthday parties, individuals and organizations are looking for expert help to plan and execute online events seamlessly. If you have a knack for organization, creativity, and tech savviness, this side hustle can be your ticket to making money online in 2023. You're not just coordinating events, you're orchestrating memorable digital experiences, connecting people from all corners of the globe. With the rise of remote work, virtual events are becoming a staple, and your skills can ensure these gatherings are engaging and unforgettable. Overall, these hidden side hustles for 2023 offer unique opportunities to diversify your income and make a mark in unconventional ways. Whether it's niche e-commerce reselling, online language tutoring, personal brand consultancy, sustainable product reviews, or virtual event planning, these side hustles tap into emerging trends and provide avenues for financial success. Embrace the unconventional, explore new horizons, and may your online ventures be both profitable and fulfilling. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more opportunities and join our community. See you next time.